Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to link tickets and the different ways to link it in BoldDesk. I'll also explain how to remove linked tickets and web links. Providing customer service is quite challenging. Sometimes customers create many tickets for the same issue. With the help of BoldDesk's Link Tickets option, all those tickets can be linked together. Linking tickets help the agents to easily track issues. Tickets can only be linked when they are in an active state. Now let's see how to link tickets in BoldDesk. To link tickets, navigate to the tickets listing page and open the ticket to be linked. Then, click the Add Link option or Links tab on the ticket details page. Here, you can see the different options like related tickets, parent or child tickets, and web links. First, let's see how to link tickets that are related. Tickets having a common issue or theme can be linked as a related ticket. Click Add Ticket on the Related Tickets section under the Links tab. Search for the ticket to be linked using the ticket ID or title. Click the ticket from the suggested list. See, the ticket has been linked. Next, let me show you how to link parent-child tickets. Major incident tickets can be parent tickets and minor incident tickets child tickets. A parent ticket can be linked to a maximum of 30 child tickets, but it cannot be a child ticket. The child tickets can have only one parent ticket. On the Ticket Details page under the Links tab, click Add Parent on the Parent or Child Tickets section if a parent ticket is to be linked. To link a child ticket, click Add Child. Then, search for the ticket to be linked using the ticket ID or title. Click the ticket from the suggested tickets list. Users can also view other child tickets of the parent ticket by opening any of its child tickets. You can also select a relation between the tickets as a child ticket, related ticket, or no association when splitting and creating a ticket. If the user needs to create a ticket as a child ticket should be selected. To create a related ticket should be selected. If there is no relation between tickets, no association should be selected. Then, click Split to create a ticket. If you would like to watch a detailed video on splitting a ticket, follow the link provided in the card above and in the description below. You can also add web links to a ticket, which can be used as a reference. The display text of the web link must be less than 100 characters. The web link URL must be less than 500 characters and should begin with HTTPS or HTTP. On the Ticket Details page under the Links tab, click Add Link on the Web Links section. Provide the text to be displayed and the web URL link, then click Add. A success note is shown at the top right corner when the linking is complete. Next, let me show you how to remove a linked ticket or a web link. On the Ticket Details page, under the Links tab of a ticket, you will find the linked tickets or web links. Click the Remove icon of the ticket to be unlinked. A pop-up to remove a related ticket will open. Click Yes, Remove. Similarly, you can remove linked web links too. In this video, I have explained how to link tickets and the different ways to do it. I also explained how to remove linked tickets and web links from the linked ticket. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.